Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Init Karen Nabmati, a multimedia journalist, learning facilitator, and social media specialist. In this video, we're going to look at how to measure YouTube channel performance using YouTube Analytics. To start us off, we're going to first explore the benefits of measuring one's YouTube channel performance. As a YouTube content creator, the best way to know if your channel is performing well or not is through your statistics. As you know, numbers don't lie. You can use YouTube Analytics to get up-to-date performance metrics on all your videos. There's a lot of data available in different reports, such as watch time, number of views, demographics, and traffic sources, among others. YouTube Analytics enables you to be in touch with your channel and know what's best for it and what doesn't. So it can help you create and tailor nice videos that your viewers or subscribers will enjoy. Through analytics, you'll be able to understand the trends and create content that best suits the needs and interests of your subscribers and audiences at large. YouTube Analytics gives you key insights on how your content is being watched, how long it's being watched, and whether it's liked or disliked. Knowing your audience and its behaviors can help you tailor your videos, extend your reach, and turn your channel into a viewing destination. That being said, let's now delve into its practicality. To access YouTube Analytics, you first have to be logged into your YouTube channel. So I'll go to my browser, I'm using Google Chrome, and go to YouTube. Once it loads, go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on the profile icon. I'm going to blur out my profile name because this is a client's name and I don't want to put it out there for confidentiality purposes. So once this has loaded, click on YouTube Studio and it will take you to the Creator Studio of YouTube. So this is how the channel dashboard looks like. You'll see a page summary for the last 28 days. And so to go directly to Analytics, come to this column on the left and click on Analytics. So it will still give you a summary of the 28 days analytics. And the first page has the number of views, the watch time, that means how many hours have been watched of your videos, and how many new subscribers you've gained during this 28 days period. And then you can also see a live update, that this is a real-time update of your channel, how it's working, top videos at this time, latest videos, and then top videos. This part shows you top videos during the 28 days. So if you want to view or to see the analytics for a particular period of time, say for the previous month, you can just come here to this drop down arrow and it will show you the last 7 days, the last 28 days, last 90 days, and even the last 365 days. That is for a year, then also for a lifetime. So this will give you a summary of how your YouTube channel has been performing from the time it was created. So if I want to see my analytics for the month of February, I'll click on February and it will load. So in February, I can see here it just gives you a summary of the figures, but if you come and hover over it, it will give you a total count. So here it shows 26.9k, but once you hover over it, you'll see 26,913 views. And for the watch time, that's in hours. So your videos throughout the month of February 2022 were watched for 542.8 hours. And in the month of February, gained 46 new subscribers. So that is for the first page. You can also scroll down and see the top videos in this period. And the top videos are ranked according to the number of views. So you can see they start from the highest views, and these views keep reducing. So you can see more if you want to see how all your videos performed, because there it will show you from the highest to the least. Then you can also go to the reach. We want to see the metrics under reach. So in reach, we see there's impressions. So you can also hover over this figure and it will give you the exact number, which is 57.924 impressions. So impressions that you can see here is the number of times your video thumbnails were shown to viewers, including only impressions on YouTube, not on external sites or apps. So impressions are only derived from YouTube. And then impressions, click-through rate. These are the views per impressions. That means how often viewers watched a video after seeing an impression. So that means if your video was shown to viewers and they went ahead and clicked on that video and watched it, that is an impression click-through rate. And then the number of views, that is self-explanatory, the number of times your videos were seen. And it will even show you the percentage increase or the percentage decrease from the previous period. Then unique viewers, it shows you the estimated number of people that watched your content within the selected date range. So it not only just shows you the number of views, but also an estimate, because as you watch a video on YouTube, each time you log in using a Google account, that's counted as a user. So if at all you logged into your account, say 5 times, and watched a specific video, they'll still count you as one user. So you are a unique viewer. They don't count you many times because you only logged in using one account. So let us scroll down and see what other features are there under reach. What other metrics are there under reach? There is traffic source types. So this is where people came from to view your video. You can see there are different sources of traffic. We have YouTube advertising, suggested videos, YouTube search, external, that means external sources, playlists, and other sources. We can even go ahead and see more. So this will take us to another page. If at all you want to expand and see other traffic sources. So we had stopped at others. There's direct or unknown, channel pages, other YouTube features. There are very many sources of traffic, as you can see. So you can always make use of those. If at all you see that most of your viewers were from YouTube advertising, so you know your videos were advertised and viewers followed those to view your other videos. So we can also see there is impressions and how they led to watch time. And here is also a breakdown of each traffic source. So you can see there's external, there's playlists, there's suggested videos, YouTube search, among others. So that is it for the reach. Then we are going to go to the engagement. And under engagement, we have watch time. Like I said before, that's the number of hours that your videos have been watched for. And then the average view duration. So the average watch time per view compared to the previous periods. Here, watch time means channel watch time compared with the previous period, and it includes public, private, unlisted, and deleted videos for that time. So it's really this dashboard is really user friendly because it can give you a description of each metric and you won't have to wonder what they mean. Here they are showing us key moments for audience retention. Audience retention explains how well different moments of your video held viewers' attention. So they're showing you the top videos with the highest retention and then videos with the lowest viewer retention. So the ones with the highest retention mean the ones where viewers continued watching after 30 seconds. And then these ones are the ones where the viewers kept bouncing off. You can still scroll down and see top playlists, top videos by end screen, top cards. If you don't have any, you'll find that there's nothing to show for that period of time. Then top end screen element types. So you can use all these metrics to decide and to design how your content is created to best suit the interests of your viewers and subscribers. Now we shall go to audience next. Under audience, there are three major metrics, that is returning viewers. And here, returning viewers are viewers who already watched your channel previously and returned to watch in the selected periods. New viewers are those who discovered your channel for the first time in the selected period. Note that viewers watching from private browsers who deleted their watch history or haven't watched your channel in over a year may be counted as new. So it shows you the number of people who watched your videos and still came back to your channel. So if you have a high number of returning viewers, that's a good indicator that your content probably interests them, and maybe you can consider following the line or the design that you've been following in the creation of your video content. But if they are lower, that means something is maybe putting them off, and maybe that's why they're not returning to view more of your content. Then unique viewers, already saw that, and then the new subscribers. So here it shows you the number of new subscribers that were added onto your channel during the period under review. Let us scroll downwards and see. Here are videos growing your audience, so you can see the videos that are performing well. Other channels your audience watches. So if there are other channels, there's that data. It can also help you because you can refer to those channels and see the content that is being created on those channels and see if you can integrate some of their styles to your videos to make them more appealing to your viewers. Other videos your audience watched that's similar to the channels. So you can also borrow a few tips from there to keep them coming back for more content. We also have this graph that shows when your viewers are on YouTube. So you can see the trends, that is the days of the week for this upper axis. And then this side one is for the times within that day, starting from 12 a.m. up to 11 p.m. So you can see the parts that are very dim, that shows very few, and the ones that are very dark, very many of your viewers are on YouTube. So you can capitalize on this information to decide on your posting strategy. You can say, oh, this is a time when most of my viewers are on YouTube, and so you can decide to start posting at around that time or during those days of the week. So it's very important to know all these things and to come up with a strategy based on these statistics. Then you can see the top geographies. It shows you the percentages or the top countries and the percentages according to viewership. You can see subscribers who turned on all notifications from your channel and subscribers who turned all notifications for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications. Subtitle all languages, and then subscriber bell notifications. So this is also good. If these statistics are high, it shows that your subscribers are actually very interested in watching your content. And if it's low, you might as well consider improving your content to encourage subscribers and viewers to turn on their subscriber bells and notifications. Then there's watch time from subscribers. You can see that subscribers watched less than the people who are not subscribed, according to these percentages. Then there's the age and gender demographic. You can find out whether your subscribers or your viewers were male or female, how many were male, how many were female, and which portions make up the different age brackets. So with YouTube Analytics, it can help inform you on how best you can optimize your content to suit the needs of your viewers and the needs of your subscribers. So aside from YouTube Analytics, there are some other third-party apps that you can use as an alternative to YouTube Analytics. These third-party apps can also help you in measuring your YouTube Analytics or YouTube Insights. I'm going to list a few of them, but there are very many others out there on the internet. So it's just a matter of logging in to your computer, searching and seeing whatever works best for you. There is an app called Social Bakers. I've already done a video on that, and I'm going to put a link in my description. It can also give you insights. It can also help you in comparator benchmarking. So you can also measure the performance of your channel against the performance of other comparator or competitor channels. I'm going to leave a link in the description and you look it up, watch the video and see how to use Social Bakers. Then you can also use Google Analytics. Since YouTube is part of the Google family, you can use Google Analytics to view YouTube statistics. Google Analytics supports seamless integration with YouTube, so it also enables you to monitor your channel's performance with ease. You can also use tools like BrandWatch, you can use BuzzSumo, you can use Channelmeter. Channelmeter offers a comprehensive dashboard capturing the overview of data on your video performance. So these are just some of the alternative tools you can use to analyze your YouTube channel performance. There are many more options you can explore on the internet to see what works best for you. Feel free to share with us other tools that you may have used to monitor your YouTube channel in the comment section below. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as it helps me out a lot. Click on the notification button so that next time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until next time, bye!